Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, this is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to decorate your table for a Cars theme. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. So this is my way of creating these simple table ideas for a birthday card theme. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free. Thanks for watching and see you next week.